Hey guys, my name is Dharni.
Hey,
Who's that?
It's your boy, Skinny.
Yeah, that's the acid bass. I'm gonna show you how to do it in 3 steps. First step is you gotta actually have a vocal fry. I think everybody can do that, you know. Okay, second step, right? You gotta sound like really annoying. Woo!
Yo, can you do codfish?
Try to have like the most annoying voice ever. And if you don't know if it's annoying, like really annoying, so you need somebody to hear you. Hey babe, is this annoying?
Yes.
And once you get that, third step will be quite simple. All you have to do is say. So you go like and make it lasser. And then add some voice in it. Yeah.
And that should slow down the door dramatically right before latching.
There. Yes. See, I don't teach good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so there we go. I wish you guys the best of luck. And I'll see you guys on the next time again. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.